This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. No one compares. When you need a new tool, think Value Testers. Link in description below. Want to shut off or no?
Water is, yeah.
What about the hot?
The hot's off, the cold's still on.
Why, it won't shut off?
I don't know, I tried turning it.
Look at that drain. I mean, that's bad. That's got to be replaced. You said you tried fixing the faucet and you can't?
Yeah.
Where'd you go to Barassa's for that?
No, I went down to Plumbing Supply over here and went down the old,
Yeah, what'd they say?
yeah, we got it.
That's what you call a shit show. Yeah. See if I can even get the water off of this thing. I mean, the drain's really scary looking, huh? That's why you called me. You couldn't get the thing to shut off.
No, I couldn't get the pot.
It's shutting off. Alright, let's hope it shuts off. Alright, shuts off. That is scary. That might just been dripping down from the faucet. I don't know. The drain?
Let's replace it.
Well, it's not, you know, you say just replace it. It's not always all that easy.
That's why I call you. You're the best.
I'm the best, alright. Looking too kosher to me. Yeah, I'm the best, alright. Where'd you hear that from? My last girlfriend?
Yeah.
That might just be stuff falling down from up top there, you know? Dripping.
Yeah.
She's a crusty one, that's for sure. No, she's leaking right out there. You can see it. It's leaking right out of there. So we got to change the drain too. Great. Somebody's living here, you're saying?
Yep.
Yeah, I think that's all. Do what we gotta do. Get the faucet out of there and get this faucet all out. Then we'll have to cut the drain out and do something with that. Not gonna be pretty. I just rotted right apart. I got the faucet off. I'm probably gonna cut that. Looks like that might be brass nipple. I'll probably just cut that right there with the grinder and put a clamp on it and come out with PVC. That's what I want to try to do. Faucet's not a problem. Let's see what we can do with the grinder. Yeah, it looks like ABS coming out of there or something. I'll just jet clamp it right to that and we'll come out.
Won't come out?
No, I'm just gonna put a clamp on there. We'll just put a jet clamp in on there and come out with PVC.
A little boot there.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Easy to clean off after.
Easy peasy. So there's that piece. Alright, so this is gonna go in there like that. That's gonna go in there like that. If you ever have to get it out, we could take the clamp apart, right?
Yep.
We'll take the clamp apart. That's what I call jet clamp it, just like that, alright?
Yep.
And then I have to just glue it up. And that's a 11 and a quarter inch street. That's an expensive fitting right there. That's an expensive fitting. But that's one of them that you never use hardly.
Yeah.
You got it in the truck, and then when you go to buy it, they spank you hard for it, right?
Yep.
Bailed you out. Bailed you out of a jam, though. Yeah, your partner's always calling me to do work over there at his house there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I put a new boiler in there for me. He's got something with the water heater that's needs another water heater. Doesn't have a lot of space or something. It's got a.
Yeah, you got like a little dugout in there under the cellar, right?
Yeah, it's a little kind of like a crawl space cellar.
Yep.
You can't even stand up in there unless you're a midget. So that won't leak, that clamp. If it's, that's what I call Jed clamp it. You ever hear Jed clamp it?
Yep.
That was the guy from the Honeymooners, wasn't it?
Oh.
Jed.
Hillbillies.
Oh, the Honeymooners?
Hillbillies.
The Hillbillies, yeah. Jed clamp it.
Grandma and Ellie Mae.
Ellie Mae, yeah. And who was that other girl there?
Oh, the banker?
No, the other lady, the young one. The good looking. Oh yeah, the good looking chick there. Can't believe this winter we're having, huh? Holy shit. I mean, it's 60 degrees out today. 60 degrees out today.
Yep.
Crazy. Can't believe it.
Oh, next week,
Gonna get cold.
Yep.
I got my little PVC tray under here so I don't ruin anything. Cleaner and glue. I got guys ask me, why do you use the cleaner? Because you're supposed to, right?
Yep.
You're supposed to use the cleaner to prep it and then the glue to glue it. So you did try fixing this thing.
Yeah, we're all over the place trying to find a new seat. We got it.
You tried to just give it the old patch and match.
Nope.
Then you call me in a panic.
Yep. I know you were sitting on board, I would have called you in the first place.
No, I wasn't. Sitting home bored doing nothing. Not yet. Maybe once I retire I'll do that. Hang around. Gotta get a hobby if you do that, no?
Yep.
I don't know if you know this sucker's even. Not a lot of cleaner in there for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm gonna have to get another. Running low. You can see the way the trap goes, like that. Yeah, so this warm weather, everybody's gonna be crying global warming.
Mm-hmm.
You know how that works.
Crying, yep.
Flipping crying the blues. Save the planet. Stop the cows from farting. Yeah, can't have the cows farting, you know. It's gonna kill the planet. Oh
shit.
Can't make this stuff up, you know? Not easy being cheesy.
I'm gonna see movies while you work.
I always do. That shit in there. Wow.
Marked already?
Huh? Yeah, well, it don't take long, right? Boy, that hot don't seem like it's getting a lot of flow there. What's up with that?
Before.
Huh?
Pretty good before.
You might have a broken washer in there now. The washer's got to be broken in there.
We're in the faucet?
Inside the shutoff.
Oh no.
Yeah. Gonna have to shut the hot water off to the whole building, right?
No, right here.
You got the water tank there?
Yep.
I bet you it's the washer's broken in there. Let's hope I can get it out. Did you shut it off already?
Yeah. Hold on.
No, shut it off, and I'll have to take the faucet apart under here.
So,
Yeah, because that's opened all the way. We still got a dripper. Sometimes what happens is the washer falls off, right? See if we... Hopefully I can get that apart. And just put a new washer in there, I hope. Without ruining it. Oh, I don't know. I put the whole back on it. Let's hope it comes out for your sake. Well, for my sake, I gotta fix it, right?
yep.
Alright, it's coming. I bet you what happens is the washer pops off there and gets stuck in there. You said it had good water flow before?
Yeah.
It was fine before I got here, right?
Oh, that happens.
I heard that one plenty of times. It was fine before you got here.
How many times you heard that?
A few times. Yeah. Yeah, it was fine before you got here, guy. I mean, yeah, that's what it is, the washer. Look at that. Wow. That's why I make the big money right there. That's
Where's the
why.
wash inside there?
Yeah, and inside there it fell off. So yeah,
Oh yeah.
I'll get a new one on there. Pop a new one on there. It'll be alright. We'll just get a new washer. You should be fine. Alright, so we just put a new washer on there. Smallest one you got is the what you want, actually. 00 aught is the one you want, or the 0 one. Whichever one's smallest. Just presses on there. Press it right on there with a screwdriver. It'll be good. Giving you all my trade secrets away. No, hang on. I gotta tighten it, guy.
No way you want to.
You're gonna flood your apartment house out here. I don't want that. I seen videos of that. A guy flooding his apartment house out. You ever see that?
Oh.
Guy's trying to put a shock bite fitting on and it's blowing water out for about 10 minutes. Finally give up. Alright, try it now. Ain't so bad once I give it put the aerator on it. Make sure I got no leaks. You made me work for my money on this one, guy.
I told you. You're all day on for that.
Just want to make sure I got no leaks nowhere. Calling me back. Calling me back. I got a leak. I don't want that. I don't want no leakers. One good thing, at least she got it cleaned under her vanity here after 30 years.
Yep, that's fine.
Yeah. We'll give it the old fill and dump deal. Definitely not backing up, that's for sure. I don't see any leaks. I think we're good to go. We'll Jed clamp it. If we ever got to get it out, we take the Jed clamp it apart and we're good to go. I got this, so this is up nice and high here, this drain, so it doesn't get blocked, okay? And I could flip that around if you want to lower it. I could flip that around, but you're better off having it up a little bit higher, like that. That's good.